No, RG81 going on to circuit. Red tape at this place.
Gareth, who cares?
I'm not going to steal it.
We're going to have fun today. I'm looking forward to it, sir. 168 last time, we're going to break the 170 barrier today.
Break the sound barrier. It's all about the corner onto the straight. You've got to keep it up through there so it gets a bit hairy.
Right, that's alright, a bit of back out swing.
Yeah.
If you want to talk it through, Gareth, I've got it on video, sir. You can do the commentary.
No commentary. Little hump over there, then we'll get a wobble on through there. This is a key corner, we need to hit nice and quick.
We hit this last at 123. And we're exiting at 120, 129. We're on target for a 170.
It wasn't that great a exit, see. Be a second lap.
160. 169, 170, 171, fantastic! Woohoo! Top man!
Obviously the satellite is a bit slower. I saw 172, 173 on it.
Oh right, did you?
But that's the accurate piece. So.
Well, we will, no, top speed 171.37.
We'll beat that. Let's try and get the brakes cooled a bit and it's got a spray.
Top man. We've already beat the bloke of my own lap record. I wish it was my own lap record. So what do you do, Gareth, to speak to the about?
I'm a freelance driver, professional driver. I'm a racing driver. I've been in touring cars, British touring cars for about 10 years. Race GTs, all sorts of things, anything that make me to drive.
Are you still in touring cars now?
I haven't raced for about 18 months. It's a difficult, funny old game, as they say. Motorsport, there's a lot of money involved, sponsorship, and I don't have a lot of either. So it's whatever teams will let me drive their cars, really. Give this Land Rover some space up in front.
Cut it, yeah. .37 to beat. Will we do it this time?
Even stop with the windscreen wipers.
We've done it! 17204. What's the record you done so far today?
We'll do one more. Should we nick one more?
Oh, I'd love to, mate. You stay out as long as you want.
Yeah. Just cool it down in the water a bit. Land Rover, Range Rover muffled this up a bit on the apex, so I'm trying to stick it up.
you're not going to believe the braking forces at the end. This is what we're currently doing, 142 miles per hour. So we're going to try to brake at the 170, but someone's in front of us.
Come on.
Gareth, British touring car racing driver, is going to try and we've already broken the 173. Wahey! Woohoo! 174.38, Gareth.
Boom. Done it.
Top man.
Third time lucky.
174.38 miles per hour.
So it does what it says on the tin then?
It certainly does. Jaguar Land Rover claims this car can do that 174 unrestricted. Gareth, British touring car racing driver, has just proven that that is the case.
I think we go faster.
To do an interview with you at some stage, Gareth, maybe not today, but next I'll give you a card and we'll try and do a interview and just talk about what it's like doing what you do now as a pro driver, but also your BTCC experiences.
Yeah, sure.
So we've done it. We've broken the 174 mile per hour target by 0.38 miles an hour. I'll send you a copy of the video if you like, Gareth.
Yeah, cool, that'd be great. That'd be good.
Do you want to do the sign off, Gareth?
Yep, no
Turn
worries.
to camera and do the full sign off, mate.
Yep, so there we go. There you have it.
There you go, mate. Look at the camera.
There you have it. The Jaguar XJ can do 174. We even beat it.
And that's Gareth,
Signing off.
BTCC.